Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Hot 60i and let me share with you how to reset camera preferences on this device. So if you've got some kind of problems with the camera, I'll show you two different approaches to the problem. If you can still open the camera app, let's do it. First of all, we will reset camera preferences. So I hope that you can see those grid lines. I've applied them before I've started recording because I'd like to show you a visual evidence that the reset option worked. So all you have to do is to open this arrow here to open more options and then go to settings. Here, let's scroll all the way down and find Restore Default Settings and tap on Restore. We just got back to the camera and the grid lines are not visible, which means that we just successfully reset camera preferences. If that didn't work, I highly recommend to try to force stop the camera and remove cache. So find camera, tap on it and hold it, and then go to App Info and go to Storage and Cache. And here we've got this cache section, so just tap on clear cache. Basically, cache are junk files which are saved by your device, but sometimes they could interfere and cause some problems with the camera. So remove cache, and after that I also highly recommend to tap on force stop. In my case it is not available right now, but if it is running in the background it also could misbehave, so just tap on force stop and that should fix the problem. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.